how to add your bank account to your TikTok. So if you want to add your bank account to your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening a TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And then you need to tap on settings and privacy. After that, just scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of balance. You need to tap on balance. Or you may have the option on the top right, here, balance. You need to tap on it. If you have any earnings on your TikTok, then your earnings will be shown up on this page. You have to click on your earnings, and then you'll find a new page that will open, which will say complete your page out information. You have to set up your account and then click on the payment method. So once you tap on your amount, as you can see that you will have withdraw option, you can just simply tap on withdraw. And once you tap on withdraw, it will ask you to add your payment method. So you just need to tap on the payment method and you'll be able to add your bank account. This will ask you to enter your bank details, like your first you need to enter your country or your region, and then your first and last name, your bank account number, your BIC or your SWIFT code, and then your country and region, your street address, your building number, everything. You need to enter all of that information and you'll be able to add your bank account or your payment method to your TikTok. So in my case, I don't have any rewards that I'm able to withdraw. So if you have the withdraw option, or if you are being able to click on the withdraw option, then you will have an option to add a payment method. So in this way, you'll be able to add your bank account to your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.